All right, today we're going to bring a spray gun, and this is pretty much what you get. You get one battery, the charger, and also the funnel to actually thin out the paint, because you need to thin out the paint in order to use the gun. Now, one of the things I learned is that always make sure you charge it out of the box and before you start using it. All right, that's a mandatory thing because it doesn't come out fully charged when out of the box. Now, one of the things I like that you could actually change the nozzle for left to right, which is going to change the degree from horizontal to vertical. So very simple. Here we're going to put it together so you guys can see all the steps. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.